Cruise over to Top Floor Cars in beautiful downtown Brenham, Texas. At Top Floor Cars, you can find several gorgeous classic vehicles to choose from. Top Floor Cars offers quality classic vehicles that are sure to take you down memory lane. Currently, they have one of the best inventories that they've had since they opened in 2018. Consignment services are also available, so if you're looking for a location to sell your classic vehicle that gets traffic from all over the world, please give us a call today. The number is 979-337-1006, or you can visit our website at www.topfloorcars.com to see if your classic vehicle would be a good fit to put on consignment.